YunoJuno Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. YunoJuno is a powerful platform designed specifically for freelancers and businesses looking for a seamless way to connect and collaborate on projects. With its streamlined interface, YunoJuno offers a comprehensive suite of tools to simplify the freelance process, from finding gigs to managing contracts and payments. It's particularly well-suited for creative professionals like designers, writers, developers, and marketers, as well as businesses seeking top-tier talent. One standout feature is its vetted talent pool, ensuring quality on both ends. Freelancers can showcase their skills to reputable clients, while businesses gain access to reliable professionals. Another advantage is YunoJuno's built-in contract and compliance management system, which takes the hassle out of paperwork, offering clear agreements and ensuring all legalities are handled. The platform's invoicing and payment system is another game changer. Freelancers can submit invoices directly through YunoJuno, with the platform guaranteeing prompt payments, often within 14 days. This reliability eliminates the common stress of chasing payments. For clients, the dashboard provides a clear overview of ongoing projects, budgets, and timelines, making project management efficient. YunoJuno also supports long-term collaboration by allowing users to build their own networks of trusted freelancers or clients, creating a more personalized experience over time. However, YunoJuno isn't for everyone. While it shines for established professionals and businesses that value quality, the platform's strict vetting process might not be ideal for new freelancers just starting out. Additionally, the service fees can feel steep compared to other platforms, but they're justified by the level of security, quality assurance, and convenience provided. In summary, YunoJuno is an excellent platform for serious freelancers and businesses that prioritize professionalism, security, and ease of use. Whether you're looking for high-quality gigs or top-tier talent, YunoJuno provides the tools and support to make freelance work seamless and rewarding. If you're tired of unreliable platforms and want a solution that focuses on quality, YunoJuno is worth exploring.